Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Onyi Best, and you're welcome to Onyi Best Beauty Patente. Hope you guys are doing fine. Hope you guys are doing okay. Okay, in today's video, we are still on horizontal signals and obstacles. Okay, the signals, and the last one we did I was about isola di traffico. Yes, and this one in this video, we're talking about striscia traversale continua. Okay, when you hear striscia traversale continua, it's telling you of this particular bold continuous line here. Okay, this transversal continuous line, the one here, this is about the four junctions here anyway. The ones here, this one, this one, this one, and this one. This bold thick white line is what we call striscia traversale continua. Now, let us see what that line is all about. La striscia traversale continua indica i punti in cui i conducenti devono arrestarsi in presenza di segnalazioni di arresto. Now, this line na place whereby you with the drive vehicle, a conducente, a driver, you must stop in the presence of segnalazione di arresto, signal where they tell you to stop. Now, when you see in the presence of this signal on top of this line, or at the same time with this line, you have to stop. That is, you must stop. Okay, now I'm going to mention this segnalazione di arresto in the presence of what and what are you going to stop when you see them together with this particular striscia traversale continua. Now, semaphore rosso. So you're going to, if you see semaphore rosso with this particular striscia traversale di continua, you have to stop. Red light means normally to stop. Vigile di posizione di auto. If you see somebody, a vigile, okay, person with control traffic, you see him, he can't tell you to halt with they're in the position telling you to halt. You have to halt, you have to stop. Signale di fermarsi e dare la precedenza. Now, if you see this signal, you can't see him with fermarsi e dare la precedenza, which is signale di stop. STOP, the normal stop we know. If you see them with this striscia, you have to stop. And I'm giving you things that when you see the same time with this particular striscia, you have to obey the stop signal. Okay, when you see them with stop, when you see them with red traffic light, when you see them with vigil, we tell you to stop. Okay, these three things you have to stop. Now, normally you need to stop before this line. Okay, you have to stop somewhere here. Now, I'm still going to read based on this striscia traversale continua. E se può essere completata con scritta stop, it can be completed with a written word, written boldly stop, just like this particular diagram here. You're seeing the signal stop, written on it boldly. So it can actually be like this, okay? Written boldly stop. Di spinta sulla pavimentazione stradale, that is drawn in the pavement of the road, just as seen in this diagram, they're drawn for ground, telling you to stop. You can see this striscia traversale continua, this bold line here, together with this particular word, stop. Okay. Now, there's something you should know. Non è vero che indica il punto in cui dobbiamo arrestarci ad un incrocio. Se non è regolato, o il punto in cui bisogna sempre arrestarsi, in vicinanza di un incrocio stradale. Now, these words I'm about to say, they are not true when it comes to this particular continuous transversal line. Number one, we say, they tell you, say, this point that we have to stop at a junction. If it is not regulated by all these things I just said, if it is not regulated by the stop sign, if it is not regulated by red traffic light, if it's not regulated by the vigil telling you to stop, then means say you must stop. That means if you just see I'm alone, like this diagram here, when it is written nothing, with no signal telling you to stop, no signal to obey, then they tell you say you must stop. And it's still not telling you that it is that you must always stop when you get close to road junctions. No, when you just see the signal, it's not telling you anything except it is being integrated with these three elements, or should I say with these three signals. Okay, waiting for road, signal to stop, red light, vigilant, wait tell you to stop. Now, in the absence of these ones, they're obliged to do that. Okay, now I'm going to stop here and tell you one word where we say, I want me you do for me, or should I say, I want to tell you something where they mean important. Okay, I'm not saying what they mean important. You see, they very important. Okay, now if you never subscribe and you follow me up to this time, just say okay. The only reason why I'm coming here live most of the times is because of this your likes is giving me more publicity. That means it's making my video go broad. More people are getting to know these videos because of your like. So when you're liking and you're subscribing, these two things they're very important. The notification bell self they there. So as soon as they subscribe, there's a bell. It's called a notification bell. Now when you turn that bell on, anytime I post a video, you see they notify, you'll be notified. So you can come on live like we do and follow us the battle this patente stuff. Okay, like 3 of my students passed recently. Okay, now these people way pass. They've done their bits. Like I can tell you for free that these people, the moment they come live, okay, they're always there. Why? Because of the notification bell that they turned on. Okay, they've turned it on anytime we are doing live. Now, this one's not even in my group. Most of them, I think 2 of them, they're not in my group. Okay, but they're on YouTube. Anytime I go live, they're on YouTube. The reason why you're not seeing my notification, like some people are still complaining, is because you've not turned the bell on. When you turn the bell on, you'll be notified. So you can quickly go for your exams and pass. You have to be here anytime we're doing live. You have to follow. You have to engage. So through the notification, you'll be engaged. Now, don't talk too much. Zita. Let's go back to why we're here. I'm so happy this week. I'm so happy. This week is passing week. Like I've not seen, this is the first time I'm seeing 3 times in a week in a row. It is marvelous in our eyes. Now, let's get back to why we're here. Like I said, you don't need to stop. If you don't see signal, we need to stop. Get that in mind. Ok, è obbligatorio dare la precedenza ai veicoli provenienti sia da destra che da sinistra. Now, tell you say you don't oblige to give right of way to vehicles coming both from the right and the left. Say you're obliged to give right of way to this vehicle. No, it is not what it's telling you. Questa solo se vi è lo stop. You can only do that on the independence of a stop sign. Here, okay, when you see how we stop, when you see how with semaphore, red light, when you see how with vigil telling you to stop. Now, with these 3 things where they're attached to them, then you have to obey. Okay, but in the absence of that, you don't necessarily need to stop. Do you understand? Okay, that is what we are talking about today. The STRISCIA TRASVERSALE CONTINUA. I hope you understand. If you do not understand, I'm always here for you. Comment section, they broad, they open. Just give me the question, pop it up, okay, and I will definitely come back and answer your question. Even if I not go do video concerning them, I will definitely answer in the comment section. Okay, they're very important. Say you don't understand, not just to follow me up. Okay, you should understand every bit by bit I'm saying. If there's anyone you're missing, leave it in the comment section. I will reply you. All right. See you guys in my next video. Like if they come out soon, the reason why you should on your notification bell. And of course, like this video if you like what you got today. I love you, but God loves you the most. See you in my next video. Bye.